Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to delete your Google search history. And for this we click here on our own profile picture and then click on manage your Google account. Then from here we go to data and privacy and then scroll down to web and app activity. Click on that. Then from here, you can do a few things. We need to click here on manage a web and app activity. And then right here, you can see all your web activity just right here. Now we want to delete this. So what we're gonna do is click here on delete. You can select the time, last hour, last day, all time or custom range. But let's say we do all time. Now he will delete everything from this. Then we do next. And then right now, if you click here on delete, you delete literally all your Google search information from Google. Now I need to hold my search information, so I don't do this, but if you click now on delete, you will delete all your Google search history. Alright, this is exactly how this works, and if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.